Ever wonder how AI chatbots like ChatGPT got so good at sounding human? How they manage to be polite, stay on topic, and generally respond in ways that feel natural? One of the secret ingredients behind that improvement is a process called Rlhf, or reinforcement learning from human feedback. Here's the big idea. Even after an AI model is trained on huge data sets, billions of words, conversations, books, and articles, it's still not perfect. In fact, early versions of these models can sound robotic, go off topic, or sometimes generate harmful or weird responses. That's where humans step in. Real people interact with the AI, reviewing the model's responses to different prompts. They rank those responses, best to worst, based on things like accuracy, clarity, tone, and helpfulness. The AI model then uses those rankings to learn, just like a human training a dog. Good answers get rewarded, bad answers get ignored or penalized. Over time, the AI figures out what behavior humans prefer and adjusts accordingly. For example, if the AI rambles off topic, it gets a low score. If it answers directly and politely, that response is given a high score. If it generates something offensive or risky, that's flagged and penalized. Over thousands of these interactions, the AI learns subtle behaviors like how to stay conversational, when to hedge its answers if it's unsure, how to avoid controversial or unsafe topics, and even how to be funny or empathetic within limits. Rlhf is powerful, but not perfect. The AI is learning what humans tell it is good behavior, which means it can pick up on biases from the people doing the training. If the human reviewers have certain preferences, those can shape the AI's responses too. That's why ethical oversight and diverse training teams matter, because what one group thinks is polite or correct might not reflect everyone's values or perspectives. Reinforcement learning from human feedback is what makes AI feel less like a machine and more like a helpful assistant. It turns a raw, data-driven model into something aligned with human expectations, more thoughtful, safer, and easier to talk to. It's not about making AI perfect. It's about teaching AI to behave in ways we're more comfortable with, and that's what makes it one of the most important tools in shaping AI today.